How to use custom label in Google Ads. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Tania. I am a senior PPC executive at Softtrix. Today we are back with another educational video. Today we are going to tell you how to use custom label in Google Ads. Categorizing item based on attribute like price range, bestseller, seasonal product or profit margins. This allows advertising to create more targeted strategies, allocate budget effectively and improve ROS high performing products. Custom label is also enable better reporting and performance analysis, making it easier to adjust strategy based on data insight. So let's get started how to use custom label in Google Ad account. So first of all, log in the Google Ad account and select the campaigns. Click on label. Pick label. Add the new label name, whatever you want. At create. Now we can see new landing page ads label has been created and click on apply. So we have applied the label on these two campaigns and let's see if that is applied properly or not. Select the label here, add column for the label. Basically we can see here award campaign label has been implemented properly. So this is basically how we can create a label for different changes and we can optimize properly according to those. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.